Hey cousins, welcome on back to my channel, and if you're new, welcome too. If you like what you see, feel free to subscribe before you leave. So today I have a review slash a hair tutorial on this unit that I'm rocking right now. On the fly, I just did a flip over method on her and I stand. I stand. So the wig that I have on my hair is by Sensational. It's from their Butter Lace collection, and this is Butter Unit number 5. I have it in the color T4 Golden Brown. Now, as y'all can see, she is a middle part wig, but like I just said, I did the flip over and I'm feeling it that much more. You guys are going to see in real time how I feel about this wig as I go. If you guys are interested in checking out this wig, I will leave a direct link below to samsbeauty.com. I love them. I will also leave a direct link to this unit just in case you want to check it out, see how much it costs. I believe it's like in the $40 range, so it's pretty affordable. With all that being said, let's hop right into today's video. I'm very scared, but right off the back I can tell you the cap is snug, but it's not like too small. I am nervous. This is definitely going to take me to finesse my makeup to make this work. I'm gonna have to put on a cute little beat and a cute little outfit, because right off the top, like I said before, I would like this wig much better in a natural color. So I'm gonna have to go back and buy this wig in a number 2 because I really do love the style. But baby, I don't know how we feel in this color yet, but let's get into it.
It's not that I don't want you here. It's something about the way you stare into my eyes. I know that I don't make things clear.
Okay, I can tell you right now, I'm not gonna adhere this wig all the way down. I'm finessing. That's what we're doing. We're finessing. You can definitely get away with your middle part wigs with just adhering the very front piece that you see me at here. I don't know why I can't. I'm at a loss for words right now. But yeah, you can get away with just adhering it down from like here to here. And I'm gonna show you guys how to kind of finesse the sides, even though you're not gonna really see it. But if the wind blows or whatever and whatnot, you want to flip your hair back, you want to be secure, right? So I'm gonna show you guys how to do that.
I think I need you here. I swear it's time to keep these feelings to myself. Now you're the one I'm thinking of. My higher ground, my rocket love. For gravity, I'd rather stay up here. We can get away. Palm trees, beach views on a night day. All I wanna hear is the visions that we play. Sit right next to you. I feel about you, you wish away. We didn't really want to, I just wanna get away. Sit right next to you.
I'm just trying to check you out. I'm just trying to see what you about. Let me know what's up, I'm in route. I ain't trying wild to stress you out. Come swing my way for a little bit. I'm just trying to link, it's been a minute. My crib like about 6-ish. Too deep, I'm diving in it. Know it's been a while and I miss that. I ain't trying to rush through the chit chat. I'm trying to get through to you, so give me feedback. Put in work for you, I hope you see that. Cause I need to know, if I cut off my hose, would you leave me alone? I'm tryna be with you. Girl, you know what I'm saying. Pull up, girl, I ain't playing. All the mother chicks be hating. All I want is you, I'm telling the truth. All I want is you, don't be too rude. All I want is you, I need something new, girl. We can take a trip on the west side, if you down to live on my side. All I need is you, if you down to ride. When I look at you, guess I got a type. Yeah, from A to Z, you know I choose you. In the summertime, you my new.
So I want to close out this video here. As you guys seen in the beginning, I just did the flip over method and I love this wig so much more. I still feel the same way as far as the color, but I do think that the color looks really good on my skin complexion. The red lip complemented very well with the, you know, gold accessories, boom boom, giving very much so fall ready vibes. I suggest this unit for anyone who likes curly hair, big curly hair. And yes, before I go, I want to say, do I feel like this wig will last a long time? I honestly feel like if you take this wig off at night, it will give you that get better with time kind of vibes. Because I tend to notice that a lot of synthetic wigs that are curly get better with time. That's my personal experience. Use a little bit of water. Don't use mousse every day because you don't want to weigh the hair down. But when you need to, use a little bit of mousse or like some type of synthetic control spray to get the fibers in order. And then you got a wig that will last you for a good time. So if you guys are interested in checking out this wig, again, I will leave all links to samsbeauty.com in my description box, along with a link to purchase Butter Unit 5. I've been sleeping on her. Like, if you guys got this wig, let me know down below how you feel about it. Did it last a long time for you? What color did you get? Okay. O wants to know. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Thank you guys so much for rocking with me. If you made it this far, we would love to have you a part of our fam, you know, because I'm your cousin and you my cousin, and we can all be cousins, okay? I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.